Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing TGIN's brand new rose water collection. I'm super excited to try out these products, but first I want to say thank you to TGIN for sending me these products. I'm super grateful that they considered me for this opportunity. Here's a package that they sent me. There's a shampoo, a hair mask, a leave-in, a gel, and a mousse. These products are sold exclusively at Ulta if you want to check them out. I'll also leave them linked in my description box. So let's get started. This wash and go wasn't that old. I think it was maybe only day 2 hair, but I was way too excited to try out these products. I used them the day after I got them in the mail. So starting off with the shampoo, it has a really thick consistency, almost like a gel. It does smell like roses, but not too strong. It's more on the perfumey side though. When I rub this stuff in, it has a great lather, lots of suds, and it really cleaned my hair well. When I touched my hair, it felt clean, but still felt moisturized at the same time. You really don't need a lot of this stuff because of how much it suds up. Moving on to the hair mask. This stuff is thick, as you can see. It has a very faint smell of roses as well, but it goes away once you put the mask on. As I'm applying it, it's really creamy and slides on like butter. And this stuff absorbs super fast too, which surprised me since I have low porosity hair. I usually detangle my hair before shampooing, but today I skipped that step to see if the mask has a good slip. The slip is there, but it's not anything special. It still did a good job since my hair wasn't that tangled in the first place. You can leave the mask in for 10 to 15 minutes with heat, or for up to an hour without heat. I didn't show a clip of my results after rinsing it out, but my hair was super soft and moisturized. Here I am just twisting my hair up before wrapping it in a plastic cap. I think I left it in for more than an hour, which is what I always do, to make sure it thoroughly penetrates and my hair is hydrated. Next is styling. The leave-in conditioner is nice and creamy. It's actually pretty thick for a leave-in. This stuff was definitely moisturizing and I could have honestly used it by itself. All the frizz was gone and it left my hair really smooth and shiny. My hair had semi-dried up and just using the leave-in with some water, I was able to detangle my hair easily. And I think the leave-in has the best smell out of the whole line. It has the right amount of roses but doesn't smell too much like perfume. Next, I went in with the gel. This gel is really thick and slimy. You can compare the consistency to Eco Styler, but it has more of a sticky feel to it. When I applied it to my hair, you could see the instant definition from it. It felt lightweight going on, so I used quite a bit on my ends just in case. But once it dried, it ended up having a hard cast, which I wasn't expecting. The bottle says it has a soft hold, but maybe because I used a lot, it left me with a hard cast. To style my hair, I just shingled majority of it. This is how I style my hair when I want maximum definition, and when I finished, I just diffused my hair. I didn't use the mousse for this wash and go because I wanted to see how it works separately from the gel, but I will probably try it on its own in another video. Here's my hair once I finished diffusing. I had so much volume and definition, but I'm not done yet. I decided to do a simple little hairstyle, so I'm going to use the mousse for this part. I sectioned off this side of my head and separated it into 2 parts. I used the mousse to re-wet my roots. It's a really easy hairstyle. I'm just twisting my hair back and pinning them down with bobby pins. But I was genuinely surprised with the mousse. I liked how it moisturized my hair and didn't feel sticky at all. But I won't form an entire opinion on the mousse until I use it on all my hair. To spice up the look, I'm putting on these super cute neon pink hair clips. I got them from this online accessory boutique. I will leave it linked in my description box. But yeah, just adding this pop of color really makes a difference in the overall look. And this is the final look. My curls were literally popping. The definition I had was insane, not to mention the volume. So yeah, I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you already tried these products, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. This is my first time trying out TGIN's products, and I love them so much. I think out of the whole line though, my favorite product was the leave-in. It was just really moisturizing and smelled so good. Also, the hair mask was really bomb. I still can't get over how my hair just ate it up. If you're stuck on which products to try out, I definitely recommend you get those two at the very least. But overall, the whole line is amazing. You can just tell how much effort and work they put into creating this entire line. Once again, if you want to try out these products, they are sold exclusively at Ulta. I will leave all the links down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.